Okay, I think you can see this bridge in the distance, right? Hey, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. So this one I'm going to focus on the Macau Bridge. So not too long ago, this is called the Middle Bridge, and I think I might try to do all three from this one, but this will be our focus. Not too long ago, I went under it, and we're using the zoom camera today so we can just see what else is going on around here. I think there's some people. Oh, I thought there was a bunch of bikers there earlier, but I guess not. Maybe it's some runners. There's some bikers there. There we go. So there's a kind of a biking track along this road right here. You can see some people running, perhaps. Sometimes. Can't see it from this angle very well, but it's definitely there. I'm going to focus on the bridge in a minute, so yeah, you kind of see that path anyways. So that path, there's some runners there too. But that path, you can actually keep going and go all over the bridge. I don't think you can take a bike across, that's illegal, but you can definitely take this little path right there. You can kind of see that, zoom in a little bit. So that path follows you all the way across the bridge. And it's kind of narrow. Let's see if we can see anybody there. I don't see anybody on it. But I have walked up that one, and then when you're walking, when you get up in that area, it's like quite steep. There's somebody walking right there. Jogging. Okay. So yeah, this whole bridge is called, it's like a dragon reference, because that's like the dragon. I have to go out, like we can zoom all the way out. But that little thing is called like the dragon's, it's like, I don't know, it's like modeled after a dragon, so I don't know if that's supposed to be the head or the tail. I don't know which. But basically when you're walking, it's like super flat and it goes all the way down. And then you kind of go up a little bit and then back down again. So when you're up at the top, like really up there, and when you're walking, there's another person right there. Maybe the same person, they're jogging. There's another person up there. Two people. And when you're up there, and then all of a sudden, like, you get to the top, right? And then you kind of go down that steep one on the other side. It's quite interesting. Let's see what that is. It's quite interesting because then you're kind of like coming down into the casino, to that giant ball right there. So it's quite a phenomenon when you're actually walking it right there. And so anyways, this is called the Middle Bridge, and it's not too far from all this reclaimed land. So all this is going to be reclaimed for new urban projects, basically. So all it's right there. There's the Macau-Taipa right there. And I'll just kind of show you where we are. It's another bridge. Maybe I'll tell you about that too in a minute. But we're up on top here. So I'm way up on top of a, sorry, I'm scratching my arm. Ah, there we go. A little bit of mosquitoes and things like that. So I'm kind of up here, like I'm way up on top here. So if I'm kind of above the tree line here on this little path. So I'm kind of up here. There's some trails up there too, just to kind of give you some perspective of where I am. So this is the focus of this particular one. And I have some footage I'll show at the end, just some kind of random stuff that I was able to film while I was going under it on the boat. And also just want to show you some of these other bridges. So this bridge over here goes all the way to almost the northern part of Macau, kind of near the China border. And then way over there, it connects to this little small island, and there's also some reclaimed land over there. and that all goes to Hong Kong. So that's kind of like a big terminal. They built it about 2 years ago, I think, 2.5 years ago. And then over there, there's some construction. Let's just zoom over on that one too. So they're also going to reclaim some land over there. This bridge is part of that third bridge, in the middle bridge. But there's some other stuff way out there. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Oh yeah, there we go. So there's some barges. I think they're bringing dirt out there. So I think that's going to be another little reclaimed land area. See some ships out there. Lots of cranes, some cranes out there. They're kind of doing all these urban renewal stuff all over the place around here. Anyways, this is another one, and but I think that's not going to be the focus because I want to do something different. And we're just going to zoom in on this bridge and focus on this bridge, and I'll put a couple ending things at the end. Just kind of like a brief one where I went underneath it, and then another one where some people are walking across it, and I can kind of capture it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. Macau's middle bridge. Okay, hope you liked it.